For decades, Indian Space Research Organization has been pioneering the space sector, achieving incredible feats and results. ISRO has been pioneering India's bustling national space programs that are not only capable of launching rocket to space, moon or even Mars, but it is also scripting history by sending satellites from foreign countries. Continuing its tryst with space, ISRO is all set to launch Bhutan's INS-2B satellite into space by December this year. It is noteworthy that the development of Bhutanese satellite is being underway by 4 Bhutanese engineers who are being trained by ISRO. The space engineers from Bhutan's Department of Information Technology and Telecommunication were trained at ISRO's URO Satellite Center in Bangalore for 2 months. The training covered theoretical and technical aspects and included visit to laboratories and test facilities. With the first phase of satellite development already done, the second phase of training will focus on finishing touches of the satellite. The training modules further encompass theoretical knowledge supplemented by testing and laboratory-based activities provided by India to Bhutanese space engineers. Recently speaking at an event called Space Odyssey, showcasing India's achievement in space technology, the Indian ambassador to Bhutan, Ruchira Kamboj, said, and I quote, "India and Bhutan are collaborating to build a satellite. This satellite is going to be launched in 2021 from ISRO's facilities. It is only natural that these two best friend countries are cooperating in this final frontier," Kamboj added. The event was organized by Indian Embassy in Bhutan as a part of India's 75th year of independence as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. India and Bhutan have been engaged in space cooperation with a ground earth station for South Asia satellite that was inaugurated in Thimphu, Bhutan during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit in August 2019. The station was launched by India in 2017 as a gift to the countries in South Asia region, including Bhutan. Under the project, New Delhi has offered increased bandwidth on an additional transporter on the satellite for Bhutan as a gift as per the country's requirement. On 20th February 2021, India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV C-51 successfully launched Amazonia 1 along with 18 co-passenger satellites from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh. With this, India scripted history once again as the total number of customer satellites from foreign countries placed in orbit by PSLV reached 342 satellites from more than 34 countries. This is it in today's session. Thanks for watching.